Fans, this is happening right now in Umoji. Juju Ekwensu romancing Mami Water cousin, which is a native doctor, a very strong native doctor. Now they say she be. They say if she dey waka, they come like this, people they clear road. That is how strong she is. Who is that person to say yes when God have not said yes? Who is that person to destroy your life when God has not given the permission? Unless you believe that your life is in the hands of your enemy. When God says yes in your life, no man can say no. They never born her. Juju Ekwensu romancing Mami Water. These are cousin. They confess for Umoji. Confess. A very strong native doctor. She is so strong that when she's coming, when people hear her footstep, they run. That is how strong and powerful she is. But today she's confessing. This one not be waka person. This one has sit down and listen. Very well. Things are happening. Don't ever lose guide for your enemy. The moment somebody calls themselves your enemy, make sure you are very alert. Because they do not sleep. Because they know they sleep. Then go make sure say they go to any length to see the downfall of that person. Hey, my lovely fans. Ekwensu romancing Mami Water cousin say, according to her, she said the spirit of Kambilishko they beat her. They beat her. They use cane, they wipe her. She no fit keep am again. When she started the confession, Juju Ekwensu mama, they go they tire, they hide down, make she not confess come outside. Before they wake up, they don't know who lose them for where they tie and put. They don't know who open the door. This life things are happening. They don't know who lose her. They tie her very well. Because they don't want the people to hear what she have to say. Because she was confessing. So they tie her and they lock the door, carry the key. They were surprised this morning. They not break door. Door open. The thing where they take tire, don't lose her. The girl don't already go market square. She don't already they confess. What God cannot do does not exist. Juju Ekwensu cause say, na kai matter. I put am for you. Say her cousin where they call Ekwensu romancing Mami Water, alias Judy Iscariot. He say na he carry kai matter come give am. Tell am say kai don dey excel. Kai don dey excel. Now so they tell us say Kambilichukwu star dey shine. He bring Kambilichukwu down. But you see this guy, she have tried all she can. But it look like it's not working. So she wants this her cousin. That is a very powerful native doctor. Say make by Kai. She did not say make them do the boy make the enemy the sickle. No, he said they should buy his enemy. And she should do a very clean job. That nobody will involve her name into it. Now because they say that one has small thing. That one a jara for her. He said that was how she started the journey of how to buy Kai. He said one arrow where they throw go give Kai. He said he drawn that arrow go meet Juju Ekwensu Pikin. He said 3 times when he throw arrow, the arrow return back to them. Because that arrow where they throw go give Kai, they wanted to send him a very scary disease. They wanted to give him a very bad sickness. He said when Kai, Juju Ekwensu's cousin say, when Kai, he said this whole thing started when Kai did his matriculation as a doctor. He said, Juju Ekwesu call me down. He said, may deal with the brain. He said, so they try to send the brain tumor to the boy. He said, the thing return back. It bounce back. He said, Juju Ekwesu say, since this boy no longer take sickness, they should buy his enemy. He said that was how she started his journey of trying to buy Kai enemy. He said when they try, same things go give him. He said 3 times the same things to Kai. He said the thing not reach where the boy did. He said they decided to use Yo-Yo to drag Kai to them. She said they send Yo-Yo. She said so they use Yo-Yo as a mission to get Kai. He said Yo-Yo has been contacting his son, trying to draw the attention of his son so that they will get him. He said, but the boy, they ignore Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo is discussing with the boy, oh, what will we do now? You know this business, you know you are going to school, and just try to, try to send messages, try to talk to Kai. But because there is a living God in heaven, everything when they do no one they work. Yo-Yo was not able to get the attention of Kai. But they tell us he should keep on trying. He said those contacts that Yo-Yo is having with the son is not a natural one. They are trying to get something from Kai so that hand go be the boy. That is how wicked una Ekwesu Romasimabuota is. So the mission is to buy Kai enemy. Because Juju Ekwesu say time don't reach. He say Kai, he don't see Kai star. It's too much. It's too much. The star, they shine. So the best thing is to cut him. Because once a tree don't grow, it becomes too difficult. But when it's small, you can easily break it. So that was what Juju Ekwesu was planning to do. But you know, say some kind tree day when they go small, it go even day easy to break big one than that small one. So according to Juju Ekwesu's cousin, he said they gave her the pictures of Kai right from when he was a baby to these dates. Right from when he was a baby to these dates. They gave him all the pictures of Kai. According to the cousin of Juju Ekwesu, he said those pictures, he don't bury them for inside coffee. He said he don't put the pictures inside coffee. He don't bury them. He said that coffee, he said he buried the coffee. He said good 7 times he buried that coffee. That coffee go rise up again. He go bury and go rise up again. Because the moment they are able to bury that coffee without pictures, it's like they are doing burial on behalf of the person. When they are able to bury that coffee and that coffee, the heads accept it, spiritually that person don't buy. Now all those kind of people you see, say people just push them, they'll say it for buy. Because they've already buy that person spiritually. So according to Juju Ekwesu's cousin, where they confess for Umoji right now. She said they buried the coffee where they put Kai enemy picture. 7 times the coffee rise up from the ground. Not be all those big coffee, because make I explain that some people know they understand. It's a small coffee. It's not a very big one, not that one that they put normal human being. No. When they want to do all this evil work, now small coffee that they use. But that picture, they will arrange it inside the coffee. And they will do their incantations and all. And bury the coffee. That means they've buried that person don't buy. She said they decided to use Yo-Yo. He said Yo-Yo could not bring any productive thing to them. Anytime Yo-Yo try to use what they gave to him to talk to his son, he said that time the son don't go pick. The time when Yo-Yo go see me, he just try. And that time the son go pick. The cousin of Juju Ekwesu said there is something strange about me, Edochie, and the children. The cousin of Juju Ekwensu say na dem kpai Kambelechuku. He said na dem kpai am. He said people have been saying, oh, they went there, they went there. He said na she do am. He said the spirit of Kambelechuku right now is after her. He said na she do am. He said it was not Kambelechuku they wanted to buy. It was May Edochie. Now they won't buy. He said Kambelechuku, they just wanted to throw sickness to her, to him. He said now sickness, now they won't give Kambelechuku. Sickness will be say the boy, he will come be they useless. You know the way they useless senior son. The way they those people that come from polygamy. You understand? Senior sons from polygamy home. From polygamy home. Now God now be their power. They always turn them to be playful, useless, and unuseful to themselves. Except that senior son, mama, legs strong for ground. Legs strong. Now you see successful senior son. So, according to Juju Ekwensu's cousin, he said Kambelechuku was not their target. Kambelechuku had to throw one heavy sickness go give her. It was May Edochie that they wanted to buy. He said na May Edochie now they won't buy. Now May Edochie they won't take. She said Kambelechuku came to stand by the mother. He said Kambelechuku is not an ordinary child. He said not be ordinary child. He said even Pete, they fear Kambelechuku. He was also afraid that this boy will be the one to break him. He said that's why Grandpapa also opened the door for them to go in and attack. Because Grandpapa already saw Kambelechuku as a threat. The boy gets some spiritual powers in him, even if he don't know. Not be everybody will get spiritual power, no. So, they say Kambelechuku was a gifted child. He was a threat to the grandfather. If he grows up, he's going to be a threat because he have the spirit of justice in him. The Juju Ekwensu cousin say that's why they don't have peace. Since when they buy Kambelechuku, he say they don't get peace. All of them. He said go reach you say not get peace. He said they are all paying for it because Kambelechuku have the gift of justice. Imagine somebody that have the spirit of justice. You go buy him. Now, whoa. He said Juju Ekwensu they go kilometers sometimes. He said I Kambelechuku. He said nobody will know. He said people are saying Juju Ekwensu no they come outside. He said come outside to where? If that's all laugh for outside, do come. He said sometimes she dey run kilometers. That is Juju Ekwensu. She dey run kilometers. Hey, my lovely fans. According to her, she said it was May Edochie that they wanted to buy. Kambelechuku came to protect the mother, and the thing hit Kambelechuku. He said he hit her. He said they tried to manipulate it. He said the boy refused. He said Kambelechuku stood for the mother. He said that the Kambelechuku now so he still stand for him mama till tomorrow. Hey. She said he get one. He said the sickness where they throw go give Kambelechuku. Now he return to Stadike. He said that's why you see Stadike, the pikin all balance well. They do like Mumu, they do like all these things. He said it was what they threw to Kambelechuku. Now he return back to Juju Ekwensu's son. He said now he return back. He said what they tried to throw to Kambelechuku. He said all the sickness and everything. He said now he return back to Juju Ekwensu's son. He said and Juju Ekwensu know very well that what is wrong with his son is the evil arrow that they threw to Kambelechuku. He said no be say they buy Kambelechuku. Kambelechuku stood in the place of his mother. And what wanted to buy the mother, buy him. He said Kambelechuku was never their target. He said since we buy now, say they never rest. He said now Juju Ekwensu come, see me they buy Kai. It's time. This time around, nobody is going to suspect. He said initially they never wanted to buy him. They throw different sickness to Kai enemy. They even throw the worst one, brain tumor. He rejected it. They throw cancer. He rejected it. They throw liver sickness. They throw heart problem. All this, the kidney and all. He said the boy's soul rejected all. He said the boy's spirit rejected all. And everything returned back to Juju Ekwensu's son. He said now they say make it buy him. Since he refused to take sickness, make it the sick, make mama they spend money. Make that buy him. He said now so it is start the mission on how to buy Kai enemy. He said so that was how she started on the mission of how to buy Kai enemy. He said but the thing backfire. Then he now asked for Juju Ekwensu to bring all the pictures of Kai. He said now you now give Juju Ekwensu all the pictures. He said you not even ask Juju Ekwensu say, what do you want to do with the pictures of my children, of my son? He said you pack everything, give Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu brought it to her and she buried everything inside her grave. He said 7 times when he buried the coffee refused to go on the ground. That means the boy is not ready to go. So he decided to use his witchcraft power to buy the boy. As he tried, the thing backfired them. So she said she decided to use her witchcraft power to buy Kai enemy. He said for where she did do that thing, now Kambile Chukwu strike him. He said Kambile Chukwu appeared. He said now he strike him. He said as he strike him, he said come fall for ground. Kambile Chukwu attack him. He said wait till fall for ground, now he not be herself again. She said she want to confess so that she will set herself free. He said that Juju Ekwensu say never. So, according to Juju Ekwensu cousin, he said since when he go strike her, he said that they wala they so. Say she has not been herself. She's losing it all. Kambile Chukwu not let her rest. Now so wipe. Kambile Chukwu they wipe her. So, she said they gave Yo a key to go and bury, make him go bury key for the grave of his son. He said Yo go, he buried that key. Juju Ekwensu's cousin said the next day, he said he saw the key on her shrine. She saw that key on her shrine. Rejected, back to sender. According to Juju Ekwensu's cousin, he said that since then Kambile Chukwu dey flog her. He said and the family, they don't want her to talk. They call lock her for his house. She started confessing. The moment Juju Ekwensu's mother saw that she was confessing, she made they go tire. Made they lock her for his room before he go disgrace them. She said Juju Ekwensu's mother is a very wicked woman. Very, very wicked. He said sometimes Juju Ekwensu will still come. Go say this whole thing don't tire her. He said mama go say tire what? You've not even started. This family are not yet drained. You have to drain them. Hey, Chineke. Say the mother of Juju Ekwensu is more wicked than all of them. Anytime when Mama Juju Ekwensu see her, he said the thing when Mama Juju Ekwensu go tell her, say, I dey vex on you. She go say, Mommy, why? Go tell her, say, buy me Edochie enemy. Say me Edochie enemy, no gree give Juju Ekwensu peace. Say me Edochie no gree give Juju Ekwensu peace. Say she still remain the center of attention. People are still talking about her. As she refused to know that it's time for her to clear the road for her daughter. One dash shall never end, my lovely fans. The cousin is confessing. He said the flogging, we Kambile Chukwu they flog and they beaten. He said no be here. He said Juju Ekwensu is a wicked woman. He said Juju Ekwensu want to clear all me Edochie children enemy. He said Daniela walk there for his shrine. He said Daniela walk there for his shrine. One dash shall never end. Juju Ekwensu cousin right now is confessing in Umoje. They confess all the evil with the Juju Ekwensu do. Say all the things they did against Kai, so no one walk. She said May Edochie should be very careful with his children with Yo-Yo. He said May Edochie should not allow her children to go close to Yo-Yo. He said Yo-Yo is working for them. He said that they use her well, that they manipulate her well. He said the pictures of Kai right from when he was born till now. He said now Yo-Yo bring all of them come for them. He said May Edochie should be very careful. As I thought on her soul, Juju Ekwensu is confessing. They confess their havoc, their evil that they did. She said all of them, they are wicked. He said, no, are we free? All of them. He said Juju Ekwensu worse past Augusta. He is worse than a wine. Hey, my people, one dash shall never end. You know, sometimes God fights battles that we do not see. God always fights battles that we do not see. If God can show us all our battle, we not go reach today. Imagine this poor boy dey one corner. You don't even know what they happen. You don't even know. Especially May Edochie. You don't even know say his son way dog by. The enemies, they are still fighting him. One dash shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.